Hi, this is Vidya Balan.
Hi, this is Farhan Akhtar.
And you're watching
Bollywood Hangama.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि तुम चाहो कि तुम ना जाओ. Well, if you find it interesting, amusing and a bit confusing, then join the world of Sid and Trisha, who are holding forth the bastion of husbands and wives respectively, and we'll talk to them. Pleasure having you guys on Bollywood Hangama first of all.
Thank you very
much. Do you find it interesting, amusing when someone tells you that when women generally it's considered that way, that this roundabout?
See how quickly clarify. यही problem है boss. That is what this film is about. This is exactly what it is about.
I totally.
Do you have a problem? I नहीं कह रहा हूँ ये मतलब
I love watching this promo again and again. Trust me, actually. Yeah. So please आप बताएं. Do you agree with that? That the roundabout manner in just
कुछ मामलों में मतलब है ऐसा. मेरे ख्याल से एक है थोड़ा बहुत एक अभी हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कुछ वक्त पहले कि I think men are simpler. You know, I think women are.
I totally agree with that.
Yeah, men are just simpler in terms of dealing with things. I feel.
Right.
Women have a different kind of way.
Right.
About communication.
Right.
I think than men have.
Right.
तो हाँ है वो चाहेंगे कि वो आपको कहे नहीं
Right.
कि what you should do, what you should do. मगर वो very strategically will maneuver you into wanting to say that मैंने सोचा कि मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. So the man feels very good about himself, but actually he has been perfectly manipulated.
And do you think that women find it that maybe the men are not as involved as they would like them to be?
It's not a question of involvement. I think we've had to negotiate our space through the ages. So, you know, we've been taught that we don't have a right to expect anything. So, we have to get what we want in a roundabout manner. That's where it comes from.
It's a very good theory.
It's a fabulous promo, and I think it's looking very good.
Thank
you know, when Trisha says that उसे भूख नहीं गर्मी लग रही है, and उसे गर्मी नहीं सर्दी लग रही है, उसे सर्दी नहीं भूख लग रही है. Somehow the woman she tends to have an ownership over the kid. Like husband hasn't done much.
Instinct.
Right. Do you think that way?
No, I do think that you know she's had the baby in her womb for 9 months.
Right.
The mother's instinct is definitely going to be stronger.
Right.
But having said that, she's also, you know, especially with the first child, the woman does not know how to. It's overwhelming to be bringing up a child. You don't know whether the child is crying because the child is hungry or the child is feeling hot or. And then there's someone who's trying to help. It's just that, you know, in that situation where you could do with some help, someone who's as lost is trying to you know, contribute their 2 bits, and that's irritating. That's natural.
There is also something known as postpartum depression, which women go through after they deliver. The thing is, because for 9 months, they have actually been the center of attention that even the baby is receiving. Even when you're talking to the child, you're actually talking to the mother. There is something that the baby is mine, it's within me. You know, you feel a certain degree of ownership, I think is the wrong word, but an attachment, emotional attachment to it. So when the baby is out, you know, and of course the mother is with the child in those initial stages of life for the baby, 24 hours a day. So they have the clockwork perfectly understood of what the baby wants at various points in time, which at times the husband may not know because he may have gone to the office and he's come back. You know, so he's come back and wanting to be the involved father, you know, and has no clue what he's supposed to do at all. And of course, at that point also, it's a very natural phenomenon that women go through a certain kind of depression and a certain kind of possessiveness towards the baby, because now suddenly it's something that's separated from them. So there is a certain snappiness that comes into it, and a certain ownership that comes.
But still, and it's physically exhausting.
Yeah, of course.
You know, you're going through, I believe, all these hormonal changes. And there's so many things. Lack of sleep. Suddenly,
lack of sleep. The husband also goes through.
That's
the woman is allowed to sleep. And especially when she's pregnant, the only one who should get sleep.
Post-delivery.
See, post-delivery, the baby is the priority for everybody.
But the woman is anyway so tired.
मतलब ये है कि feed करना है and all that stuff. So that is something.
No, but
the husband can't feed the baby. Nature नहीं allow नहीं किया तो
about the lack of sleep part of it.
But see, there are even men get up.
Yeah, they get up.
They get up.
ये I can vouch for the fact that बहुत मतलब मैंने ड्यूटी की है नाइट में.
नहीं मैंने भी करी. Absolutely.
Hands on. Parenting has become very hands on even for fathers nowadays.
Right.